Imagine charging your electric car without ever touching a cable. Just park, and the power flows automatically. This is wireless EV charging, a technology that's transforming the future of electric mobility. Wireless charging for electric vehicles is based on the same principle as wireless phone charging, but on a much larger scale. It uses magnetic fields to transfer energy from a ground charging pad to a receiver coil installed in the car. First, power from the grid flows into the ground pad. Inside, a transmitter coil is energized, preparing to generate the magnetic field needed for wireless charging. When the car parks above the pad, the system detects alignment and activates the transmitter. This coil generates an alternating magnetic field. The receiver coil inside the vehicle captures the magnetic field and converts it back into electric current. This current then passes through the car's systems to safely charge the battery. Modern wireless charging systems use precise alignment, smart communication, and foreign object detection to ensure safety and efficiency. Current prototypes can deliver between 3 and 11 kilowatts, similar to level 2 wired charging. In the near future, smart homes, highways, and even parking lots could include wireless charging zones. With no cables, no ports, and fully automated charging, electric vehicles become easier and more practical than ever. Support me by liking and subscribing for more videos.